In this video, you will see an easy way to use origami to make a greeting card. Make the flower and the leaves as demonstrated in another video. Find the link in the upper right corner of this video or in the description. Fold a letter-sized piece of paper in half lengthwise. This is cardstock. Cut it into 2 cards. Glue one flower and a leaf onto one of the cards. Pre-write your message on another piece of paper near a straight edge. Use it as a guide to center your message on the card. Place your card in an envelope and mail it. For more ideas, visit origamispirit.com.